I think we're doing great so far. Oh my god, my whole nail is coming off. Why did I do this today? Ah! Hello everyone. Today we're doing something that has been done before by many people and that I did not realize until I just looked it up 2 minutes ago. But this is gonna be different, okay? Albert is here. Hey Albert.
Hi.
Thanks for filming.
You're so welcome, I'm honored.
Albert and I went on a journey this morning to find all these fake nails. If we did the math correctly, I should have 40 nails more than what I actually need. Hopefully. A couple different things going on right now. But I think I want to start with the clear ones.
Are they all the same
They're
size?
Short and sassy. These ones say size 10, but I didn't know your fingernails could have sizes. This is a size 12 and that's a size 10. It's okay. I hope they fit on each finger well, and if they don't, then it's okay. We're gonna start with these, and then we'll go to this, and then we'll go to these. That's my game plan.
Sounds good. So cute. What
Instant nail glue. Adhesivo instantáneo.
Were you reading Spanish? That was good.
Was it?
I mean, yeah, it was fine. I got it.
This is gonna take a while. So I really need like the bottom layer to stay. Because here's the thing. If when I like stack these, the very bottom one isn't holding on well, then that just means they're all gonna fall off. We can't have that. Ah! It's sticking on my fingies. I'll just stick it on that way. I just get scared. Yeah, we're in business.
Oh, this is gonna be a long video.
I know. Ah! What if I glue my fingers together? Oh yeah. Is my finger crooked or is the nail crooked? Why are you laughing?
Because I can't tell. I have a crooked pinky finger.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you show me so I feel better? I think I'm getting better at this.
Yeah, you have a really good pace. We should be done in like a couple hours.
First layer is on, and I'm feeling confident.
I think you should start over.
The first layer is on, and I'm feeling really confident about this process. Let's keep going.
You know how heavy your fingers are gonna feel?
Oh man. Oh wait, those ones are?
Yeah, these are stiletto.
Oh my god. Square! This is gonna look real weird.
Almond, squared, stiletto.
I was just grabbing, okay? 2 layers on right now. Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
It's getting hard to hold already. Oh yeah. Oh, that was so clean. Oh yeah. I feel really good about this.
It looks cool.
It does look really cool, actually. The third layer. Look at
Are
that.
they getting longer? Progressively
Okay, you know
longer?
what? I just keep putting them on wrong.
It already looks so thick. That is so funny. Oh, the battery's about to die.
What if this doesn't come off?
What if everything comes off?
This is the 4th layer.
Out of 100.
We're getting there. My camera is dying, so I'm gonna switch to a time lapse on my phone. I'll verbally check back in a couple layers. Wow, my body hurts. I feel like I've been standing here for a very long time and I'm only at 25 nails. If I told you there was 50 nails, you would probably believe it. I'm a little hungry. I definitely need to drink some water and I need to sit down. My fingers hurt. Logan, do you want to see my nails? Oh my gosh, wait, I kind of have to go to the bathroom. I can't even undo my shorts. I can't hold anything. Yay!
Yay!
Okay, I will be able to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Well, I mean, it wasn't terrible. It's just a little scratchy. I literally won't be able to do this again. Like, this is the one and only time I can go to the bathroom is right now. I'm gonna give myself a 10-minute break. Yeah, that feels good. That was like 2 hours.
No, yeah, you've been at it for a while.
Who let me do this? There's a jungle in there. I already went through the clear nails, and then I went through the square nails, and now I'm on the almond-shaped nails. Miss America! Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes for like 10 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do. You just leave me here. I'll be here for 10 minutes. I just had the best nap, probably ever. I'm a little hungry. I'm afraid to go to the bathroom again, eventually. Gotta keep going. We're a quarter of the way. Let's do it. So I just hit 50 nails. Only 50! And it has been like 5 hours. So, I'm gonna blow my nose first off because all this nail glue I think it's in my brain now. And I also am really hungry, so I'm gonna make some food and eat it, and then we'll carry on putting on the rest of the nails after that. And break. It's so hard. I can't even get this like around my nose to blow it, you know? I have glue in my brain. Albert is on the phone and Logan is injured, so we're gonna do a nail cam. Okay. I can't. Yes. Oh no. No. I don't know how to do this.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Your fingers just look so long. Oh my god.
I don't know how I'm gonna take these off.
Yeah, that's...
And it's gonna take me another like 8 hours to finish putting them on.
Oh, don't do that. Oh my god.
Hey, Albert.
Oh, that's actually not bad.
He does not like it. Want some scratchies?
That sounds good. That was really crunchy and everything.
Ah. Here comes the choo-choo train.
Oh my god.
Choo-choo.
Stop.
I feel like fancy.
Because you have to be more careful.
Yeah, it was really hard to get them right on top of each other. I feel really good about it. I just wished it didn't take that long. Yeah. Wait, Logan, wait. To make this go by faster, can both you like tag team and like grab a hand and just stack some nails on there?
Yeah, I suppose.
Yes! Ugh. Here we are. We brought the goods out here for the time lapse, and Albert is here. I gave him a good set of nails. Logan has a headache. He might chime in and do my other hand, but we're just gonna try to bang this out as fast as we can and get all these nails on. Also, side note, I went to the bathroom and like 20 nails fell off. So, and I can't find it either, so it might be in the toilet. I probably flushed it. Well, we're moving on. We're gonna keep going, and let's do this. We are all out of glue. Well, Logan still has some glue left, but as for everything that Albert was doing, all the glue is gone. So we hit 63 nails on this hand, and we're at probably like 65 here. If by chance we hit 100 nails on this side, then we can use the rest of the glue to try to hit 100 on this. I have a jellyfish.
Yes, oh my god. This looks like out of a horror movie. You trying to get something out of your eye.
I can do it. I'm gonna live like this for a long time now. I wanted to say this earlier, but...
Oh my
god. 2 things.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
Oh my gosh. Logan's taking artistic liberty over here, and they're getting real curvy. Should I sell these?
Yes.
Nails for everyone. My nails hurt right now.
Yeah, your nails are carrying a lot of weight.
Yeah, they really are. It's heavy. Sadly, we were not able to hit 100 layers of nails. But we did hit 63 nails on this hand, not bad, and 75 on this. It's been such a long day, oh my god. You know, I'm okay with not hitting 100 layers because like, I'm tired. It has been like 10 hours. I still have to take them off to go to bed. So, what should we do? I should do something. Oh my gosh, wait, I can play that game that you have.
Wait, I think it needs to be touched though, right? Or can it
I
be?
can do it. How do I turn it on?
You're doing so good.
Ah!
That was good. Where could we? Oh, Taco Bell.
I have to put shoes on first. Come with me. Let's go. No! Can't even turn the key. Ow.
Hey.
Oh my god! Oh, that hurt. Buckle up, Buttercup. I think we're doing great so far.
Oh.
I feel like I'm making everyone go slow around me. Imagine if I had any other job.
And you would still be doing this? Like if you did this, but you're also just like not a YouTuber?
Taco Bell!
Oh, Jesus.
Now I'm doing it.
I don't think so.
Ow! They're gonna ask for my order. Is my ear really small?
Yeah, you're good,
Did
you're
my
good.
ear shrink?
Did something snap? Wait, that's big. Where did that come from?
You can never tell which one it fell off.
Yeah, I'm gonna chew.
Can I have 2 pineapple freezes?
Regular too.
Regular? Do you have the 7-layer burrito here?
We no longer have the 7-layer burrito, but I can give you the burritos for free and just take off the meat.
Yes.
Yes. Can you take the cheese off of that too? And then can you add potatoes to that?
Unfortunately, potatoes are only a breakfast item now.
Damn.
And then cinnamon twists? Oh, you want one?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No?
No, that's it. Hi. Thank you. You too. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, my whole nail is coming off. Do you see this? Oh no.
Ew, I don't like how it's wiggling. I don't like that. That's really funny. Oh!
I'm bummed that we couldn't do 100 layers. However, I don't know if I could sit for another 5 hours to finish it anyways. Still a pretty fun experiment. I don't know how to take these off, but I'm gonna figure it out. Should I just take scissors to them? Like, should I just try to cut them off? Do you wanna try to pull it?
Yes, I would.
Really?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, that hurts.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Why did I do this today? Ah! No, that's it. I'm calling it. I'm just gonna sleep with them on. It's fine. Buckle up, Buttercup.